This video is about coordinate graphing in all four quadrants. The coordinate plane is made up of two number lines. One goes horizontally and one goes vertically. And the intersection of those two lines forms your coordinate plane. Please write this on page 1 of your packet. The actual intersection of those 2 points is called the origin, and that's the place where we start plotting the points. The horizontal line is called the x-axis, and the vertical number line is called the y-axis. Okay, before you can start graphing, you have to know all the parts of the coordinate plane. There are 4 sections, or 4 quadrants, and the first one is here to the right. We have the values in the first quadrant are positive x values and positive y values. To the left of that is quadrant 2. We have negative x values and positive y values. Notice we're going counterclockwise, and then below that we have quadrant 3. Quadrant 3 has negative x values and negative y values. And to the right of that we have quadrant 4. Quadrant 4 has positive x values and negative y values. So in order to graph, you have to have a set of ordered pairs. The first number in an ordered pair is the x-coordinate. Please write that in your booklet. It corresponds to a number on the x-axis. The second number in an ordered pair is the y-coordinate, and that corresponds to the number on the y-axis. And if you notice, the ordered pairs are written in parentheses. So again, the first number is the x-coordinate, and the second one is the y-coordinate.